Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Mustache Monday. So I dunked my face in ice water last week, but I came across an alternative which is less shocking to your face. Someone commented she would just rub ice over her face. You can totally do that. And I took a step further and made this ice pop with some good stuff. This week I'll show you the ice facial with this beauty ice pop. For this, I got $1.50 ice pop maker from Daiso. And I used witch hazel, rose water, matcha green tea powder, and milk. Pretty much all the things that I've read that are good to add to the ice water facial or ice cube. Since there are 3 liquids, I portioned them into equal amount by putting each into 2 cylinders. I know this will be an expensive ice pop by using this much rose water, but I'm just experimenting here. Pour the mixture in a bowl and mix with matcha green tea powder. I have no clue how much powder I put in. It was hard to mix, so I whisked it, but still there were some clumps left, but I really didn't care. Pour the mixture back into the ice pop maker. And put the sticks and freeze. After 3 hours, here are the beauty pops. Wait, I can't get it out. I had to loosen it with running water. And ta-da! With a clean face and my bangs out of the way, I just rubbed the beauty pop all over the face. It's cold, but not as cold as putting the entire face in ice water. It smells really nice. And my hands are happy because they don't get cold like when I splashed the ice water on my face like the old Hollywood star Joan Crawford did. It starts to melt very quickly. Since I have matcha in it, of course I have green water running down my face. Soon I realized tissue won't be enough, so have a towel ready to catch all the melting liquids. Let's rub using the tip of the beauty pop where the clumps of matcha powder sunk to the bottom. Happy Halloween! It kept dripping onto the floor, so be careful. About the benefits of the ingredients. Milk has lactic acid and it helps to exfoliate the mature skin cells by loosening the bond between the cells. Milk also helps to hydrate dry skin, lightens dark skin, and soothes irritated skin. Rose water has many benefits such as cleansing the pores, tightening the skin, reducing wrinkles, controlling oil production, hydrating the skin, and healing and regenerating the skin. And its wonderful smell is a mood enhancer to reduce anxiety and you will feel relaxed. And it's true, this beauty pop smells really nice. Witch hazel helps to tighten the skin, reduce inflammation, reduce puffiness, reduce oil and irritations, so it's good for fighting acne. But sometimes witch hazel comes with alcohol, which can dry your skin. So get the one that's alcohol free. I've done homemade matcha green tea mask 3 years ago. I can't believe it's been 3 years already. I will put the link up in the corner and below. As I've said in the old video, the antioxidants including vitamin C in matcha protects your skin from UV light, brightens your skin, promotes skin turnover, reduces fine lines and liver spots or sunspots. Catechins in matcha is good for acne because it reduces sebum production and inflammation. It's been about 10 minutes and the beauty pop is almost done. I think that's enough. And here's the towel after the beauty pop. It washes off fine, but I may dedicate this towel for this treatment. If you don't want to ruin your towel, skip the matcha powder. My face is cold, but not as cold as ice face bath. My face feels very smooth and smells very nice. So compared to the ice water facial, I like this beauty ice pop facial better because it's gentler, and it's less torturous because you can breathe. It smells nice and my face felt very smooth even the next day. Plus the mixture has a higher concentration than mixing them with ice water in a big bowl. I may do ice face bath if I don't have time or if I want to wake up instantly. For the ingredients, I just came up with my own lesson ratio. You can do whatever you want. I welcome your suggestions too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.